For extensive challenges question 2, you can see that the first question is saying that I want a locus area that is x meters away from the edges of a square of length L meters. So if I have a square like that, length L meters, the x away can be expressed like that. So let's say these are all x in length. So I'm just going to connect the locus like this. And that's what we have on the outside. And the question also says that it could be on the inside, which means that if I have a distance of x around the four sides, I'm going to have a little square in the middle, right? Which these are all x in length. So what I can do to write down the area of it is, first of all, I write down the outside first, and then I write down this area, right? So on the outside, we have 4 quarter circles. That is joining up to a complete circle with a radius of x. So that's going to be pi x squared. And then on the outside, we have 4 rectangles with x as the width and L as the length, right? So that's going to be having an area of XL. I have 4 of them, so I'm adding 4XL. On the inside, I have L squared, which is this large square. Take away this small square in the center, which is L squared, take away L, take away 2x in brackets squared. And that can be simplified to L squared, take away L squared, take away 4XL, take away 4x squared. Right? If you expand the brackets, like completing the square. So, that's adding 4x squared, sorry. And when you are trying to expand the brackets, you get L squared, take away L squared, adding 4XL, take away 4x squared, which the L squares cancels out, so you have that left. And you have adding 4XL, take away 4x squared. So the answer is going to be pi x squared, adding 8XL in total, take away 4x squared. All right, so that's what we have for subquestion 1. For subquestion 2, if I have it attached to one angle of an x by x building, that is having a rope length of 2x. So first of all, you can just try to imagine that it's going to extend by 2x in all directions. But then you're going to realize that after turning the corners, it's just going to have a length of x, right? So it means that starting from there, I can draw 3 quarter circles all around. But after turning the corner, they're just going to drop to the opposite vertex of the circle. So in the end, if you are calculating the area, you can see that you have 3 quarters of the circle that is having a radius of 2x, and 2 quarters, which is a half of a circle that is taking the radius of x. So that can be simplified into 3 pi x squared, adding a half pi x squared, which is 7 over 2 pi x squared. And that's the answer for the second subquestion.